Hamster. Hamsters are often considered one of the cutest pets in the world. Tiny bodies, innocent faces, and adorable little habits make them seem completely harmless. But behind that cute appearance lies a shocking behavior. If a mother hamster experiences extreme stress, too much disturbance, or feels that she doesn't have enough resources to raise her litter, she may actually eat some of her own newborn babies. To us, this sounds cruel and heartbreaking. But for a hamster, it's a survival strategy. Her instincts are essentially making a calculation. If all of the babies can't survive, sacrificing some may increase the chances that the others will live. Nature doesn't always operate through compassion. Sometimes it operates through survival. But hamsters aren't the only animals that do this. Pig. When most people think of pigs, they imagine intelligent farm animals rolling around in the mud. And they're right. Pigs are surprisingly smart creatures. However, researchers have observed cases where mother pigs under extreme stress, overcrowding, or poor environmental conditions have killed or even consumed their own piglets. What's especially surprising is that intelligence doesn't automatically lead to kindness. When an animal is pushed to its limits, behavior can change dramatically. And this isn't just true for animals. Humans under intense pressure can also make decisions they would never consider under normal circumstances. Sometimes, survival instincts can override everything else. Lion. Lions are often seen as symbols of strength, courage, and dominance. But in the wild, lion society has a much darker side. When a new male lion takes control of a pride, he will often kill the cubs fathered by the previous male. In some cases, those cubs may even be eaten. At first glance, this behavior seems incredibly brutal. But there's an evolutionary reason behind it. Without dependent cubs, the female lions become ready to mate again much sooner. This allows the new male to pass on his own genes to the next generation. As shocking as it sounds, nature is not focused on fairness or emotions. Its primary goal is reproduction and survival. Sand tiger shark. Now things get even more disturbing. The sand tiger shark begins the fight for survival before it's even born. Inside the mother's womb, multiple shark embryos start developing at the same time. But as they grow, the largest and strongest embryo begins attacking and eating its smaller siblings. By the time birth arrives, only the strongest survivor remains. Think about that for a moment. Before this shark has ever seen the ocean, it's already won a deadly battle for survival. In the natural world, competition can begin long before life officially starts. Spider. Some spider species take parental sacrifice to an entirely different level. They participate in a process called matrophagy, which literally means mother eating. In these species, the mother eventually allows her offspring to consume her body. The young spiders feed on her nutrients and use that energy to grow and develop. The first time you hear about it, it sounds like something straight out of a horror movie. But from nature's perspective, it's remarkably efficient. The mother's body becomes a final investment in her offspring's future, dramatically increasing their chances of survival. It's one of the most extreme examples of parental sacrifice found anywhere in the animal kingdom. Nature is often beautiful, but it's not always gentle. Behind the cute faces, majestic predators, and fascinating creatures lies a world ruled by survival, adaptation, and evolution. And sometimes, the most shocking stories in nature aren't about animals hunting other species. They're about what animals are willing to do to their own families in order to survive.